So in the last year, what I've learned about my profession as a future physician is that medicine is continuously changing and adapting to better serve the community. So physicians and other healthcare providers are learners and teachers for life, and we strive to, better inform ourselves about new diseases, new developments in science, so that we can better help serve our patients and our community and better inform them on things that are beneficial for their health, and that can also ultimately lead them to having a better quality of life. And I think that this is a community of givers who search for every way possible to serve the community, whether that's from, working countless hours in the hospital or with their patients, or volunteering in the community, or committing their life to research to better understand things, for example, such as why COVID-19 is disproportionately impacting underserved communities. So what advice would I give someone that wants to become a doctor? I would tell them to look for mentorship. Mentorship is extremely important. There are many people that have come before us and they've paved the way for us and want us to reach the same points and success that they have reached. So I would look for programs in schools and at health facilities such as UCONN Health. They have the Health Career Opportunity Programs office, and through that office they have amazing programs and opportunities to help underrepresented students become physicians and dentists and other healthcare professionals. So it's an amazing program, amazing opportunities that you can take advantage of from elementary school all the way up until college. So I would just recommend mentorship and just being involved, and that's probably the best advice that I could give. And then what advice would I give to underserved communities right now? I would say a lot is changing, a lot of things are new, and I know that can be frightening for some people, and I think the most important thing would be to be curious and to ask questions to trusted individuals and professionals. So if you have a concern about the vaccine, if you're not understanding, how it works, to ask your doctor, to ask someone who you trust, who's a trusted resource, to better inform you, because that will, ease your mind, and that will help you understand why the vaccine is beneficial, and why some of these developments are really important for us to protect our community right now. And so my thoughts on preventive healthcare: I think it's extremely important right now. There are a lot of diseases and illnesses that we can prevent before they get to a worse stage later on, and I think that comes with having insurance. We have the ability to catch these things early. You have the ability to update your doctor every year about what's going on, so they can help you, improve your health and your quality of life. And especially during a pandemic, there are high risks as we leave our homes, and as we're trying to social distance. So it's really, really important that we do have insurance, so that we're able to, have our vaccines covered, to have our COVID tests covered, and just to make sure that we're not financially burdened by trying to maintain our health on an everyday basis.